Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 6, aquatic flowers. Aquatic plants bear flowers and today they are becoming more and more popular. These plants live in water. Identify aquatic flowers with the help of pictures and write their names. Choose the correct name from the given clue box. Okay. So, water lilies provide food for fish and wildlife, but sometimes cause drainage problems because of their rapid growth. They bear blossoms that last for a long period of time and also give shade on the pond. Water poppy. Water poppy are small yellow aquatic flowers with bright green leaves. They grow during late springs and summertime. Their unobtrusive size makes them an ideal partner for lilies. Water hawthorns are white fragrant flowers with a black center and have bright green leaves, and they bloom for the rest of the year. Lizard's tail is a floating plant that looks great in any pond with fish living in it. It gives the fish shelter and food. Water lettuce resembles a head of a lettuce but is not suitable in a cold climate. Japanese iris can grow as tall as 3 feet and bears purple, white or dark red blossoms in November and December. This flower needs lots of sunlight to survive. So lizard's tail has heart-shaped leaves with pleasant creamy white flowers. In the summertime, it requires lot of sunlight. Watercress grows quickly and displays attractive small white flowers. It needs sunlight to stay healthy. It is edible and a popular healthy ingredient used in salads. Lotus is a water plant growing in the mud of shallow ponds, lagoons, marshes and flooded fields. It is native to the parts of the Middle East, Asia, Australia and New Guinea. Chapter 7, Born to Roar. Born to roar. So, tigers are the largest member of the cat family. They are known for their strength and power. Let us read to know more about this fierce animal. Okay, so an adult tiger weighs up to 363 kgs and measure up to 3.3 meters. A tiger has beautiful stripes, and it is difficult to spot a tiger in its natural surroundings because the unique orange, black and white pattern helps it to blend into the forest and grassy areas where it lives and haunts. The average lifespan of a wild tiger is 10 to 15 years, but one rare occasion they have been known to live up to 26 years in the wild. They do not live in permanent groups like lions do. For the most part, they live solitary lives except when females are raising cubs. Tigers are generally nocturnal hunters. Their night vision is up to 6 times greater than ours. They have large padded feet that make it easier for them to silently stalk their prey. You can hear a tiger's roar up to 2 miles away. Tigers are carnivorous, eating only meat. They mainly feed on large animals such as deer, buffalo, and wild boar. They are powerful swimmers. They often cool off in pools or streams on a hot day. The biggest threat to tigers comes from man. The two main threats faced by tigers are loss of habitat and poaching. So choose the correct options. Baby tigers are called cubs. Tiger use its claws or tongue for cleaning. Okay. The tiger hunting was banned in India in the year 1972. Siberian or Sumatran is the biggest species of tigers in terms of size. Siberian. White tigers belong to species of Indo-Chinese or Bengal. It is Bengal. Chapter 8. Symbolic plants and birds. Since ancient times, many plants and animals have been considered as symbol either good or bad. Solve the crossword and learn more about them. So you can see there is a puzzle kind of thing. So you have to solve this puzzle through there are crosswords given and downwards given. So you can see cross यानी कि इस तरफ and down यानी कि नीचे के तरफ. तो crosswords में जो questions है and downwards में जो questions है उसके आंसर्स हमें इस पजल में लिखना है. So these birds are considered scared by the natives of America. So first is eagles. Okay, first is eagles. EAGLES, eagles. Second question is downwards. So the branch of this tree is considered to be a symbol of peace. Where is the question 2? So olives. So it is OLIVS, olives. Okay. Third, the leaf of this tree is the national emblem of Canada. So third is, here it is maple, MAPLE, maple. Okay. Fourth, these birds are said to predict disease and death. Fourth one is ravens, RAVENS, ravens. Fifth question is, these birds are considered symbols of good luck. The fifth one is stroke, STORKS, strokes. Sixth question is, in ancient Rome, the hooting of these birds was deemed as a warning of death. The sixth puzzle is here. It's OUFS, OUFS. Okay. And then the seventh one is, these birds are a symbol of love and peace. The seventh is doves, DOVFS. The eighth one is, these birds found mainly in Asia are adored symbols of long life. That is cranes, CRANES, cranes. And the ninth question is, this tree is scared to the Buddhist. That is peepal tree, PEEPAL, people. The national flower of India is lotus, LOTUS. lotus. Chapter 9, landmarks in history. So some places have a specific mention in history because of the events that took place there. Read the clues given below and try to name the places. So first question is, located in Belgium, it is the place where a famous battle was fought between the British and the French. French lost the battle and this led to the collapse of Napoleon's power, that is Waterloo. Second question, located in West Pakistan, excavations during the British period conducted at this place led to traces of Indus Valley civilization, that is Taxila. Third, located in Amritsar, Punjab, it was the scene of massacre of innocent Indians by the British General Dyer on April 13, 1990. Jallianwala Bagh, once known as the Wings of Japan, it was destroyed by the first atom bomb dropped on August 6, 1945. This led to the end of the World War II. Hiroshima. Fifth question is, situated in modern day Odisha in 260 BC, Ashoka attracted and conquered it. As the war took a heavy toll of human life, the emperor felt remorse, abandoned war and converted to Buddhism, that is Kalinga. On December 7, 1941, American people never expected an attack from the North Hawaii. Japan bombed this harbor even before Washington was told to the declaration of war. Pearl Harbor, located in Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan, India's first nuclear explosion was carried out here on May 18, 1974. Pokhran.